The philosophy of technology, navigating the technological abyss. The philosophy of technology is a multifaceted field of philosophical inquiry that explores the profound impact of technology on human existence, culture, and society. As a philosopher, I want you to join me on this intellectual journey to explore the depths of this rich and ever-evolving discipline. I believe it's one of the most modern disciplines and one of the most applicable ones to real life right now. In this lecture, we examine the origins, key themes, and influential thinkers and ethical implications of philosophy of technology, shedding light on how it shapes our understanding of the digital age. The origins and historical development. The philosophy of technology has its roots in ancient Greece, where early philosophers like Heraclitus contemplated the role of technology in human life. However, it wasn't until the 20th century that the field began to take shape as a distinct branch of philosophy. One of the earliest modern works in this area was Martin Heidegger's The Question Concerning Technology in 1954. Heidegger examined how technology shapes our understanding of being and its profound influence on our existence. The key concepts and themes. 1. Technological determinism. One central theme in philosophy of technology is the concept of technological determinism. This perspective suggests that technology has an inherent logic or trajectory that guides its development and influences society. Technological determinism raises questions about human agency and the degree to which we control our technological creations. Mediation and Augmentation. Philosophers in this field explore how technology mediates our interactions with the world and how it can augment human capabilities. Marshall McLuhan's concept of the medium is the message highlights the idea that the form and medium of communication technologies shape our perception and cognition. Ethics of technology. The ethical dimensions of technology are a major concern within this discipline. Ethical questions surround topics like artificial intelligence, biotechnology, surveillance, and privacy challenge us to evaluate the moral implications of our technological advancements. Existential and phenomenological perspectives. The philosophy of technology often draw from existentialism and phenomenology to investigate the lived experiences of technology. How does technology affect our sense of self, our relationships, and our understanding of the world? Thinkers like Albert Borgman and Don Ehede explore these questions. The influential thinkers. Several key influential thinkers have contributed significantly to the philosophy of technology. Number 1 will be Martin Heidegger. Heidegger's examination of technology's essence and its impact on human existence remains a foundation in this field. He emphasized the need for a more profound reflection on technology's role in our lives. Marshall McLuhan. McLuhan's work on media and communications technologies laid the groundwork for understanding on how technology shapes culture and society. His ideas about the global village and the effects of electronic media are still relevant to this day. Albert Borgman. Borgman's concept of focal practices encourages us to rethink our relationship with technology by emphasizing the value of direct, engaged experiences over passive communication. Donna Haraway. Haraway's cyborg theory challenges traditional boundaries between humans and machines, offering a feminist perspective on the interconnectedness of technology and identity. Ethical implications. The philosophy of technology highlights critical ethical considerations that are increasingly technologically driven world. As we grapple with major issues such as AI ethics, data privacy, environmental sustainability, and the consequences of automation, ethical reflection becomes paramount. We must assess how our technological choices impact individual societies and the planet. The philosophy of technology invites us to explore the profound and complex interplay between humanity and the tools we create. It offers a lens through which we can critically examine the effects of technology on our lives, societies, and the very essence of humanity. As we navigate the technological abyss of the digital age, the philosophy of technology provides us with intellectual tools to better understand, assess, and shape the future of our technologically driven world.